as one of their entry patterns. But we'll take a look at it, take a look at some examples, all right, and get into that. But first, let's start with the market, all right. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for May 8th, 2020. Q's up 1.37%, SPY up 1.68. All right, coming into today, talking about this consolidation here on the SPY leading up into today. Q's, though, was getting bullish and staying bullish. Actually, Q's just stayed bullish. You can see the hourly uptrend intact there. We were talking about how really had to acknowledge more that we were getting more bullish, so we shifted to a more neutral to bullish bias today, and that bullishness kind of played out in this gap up that we got and staying up near the highs. Q's pulled back a little bit to the support yesterday, but today gapping right over yesterday's bar and closing up here at the highs. So going into Monday, bullish. Okay. We saw that we were trying to do that weekly sell setup. Hourly was maybe trying to start a downtrend. But what happened on Monday was not bearish, which is we tried to break down on the Qs and SPY to new lows and got bought. There were just no more sellers to support the move. And since then, we really have just been, especially the Qs, creeping our way back up. So bullish bias going into Monday. Okay, so we'll see if that bullishness remains. We could always get some kind of a event or news or something to change the picture here. But based on the daily, the hourly, the weekly, we're still all looking higher. Okay, all the time frames. All right, and so in line with that, as you would expect, we had a lot of bullish moves throughout the week as the attempt to move lower that started on Friday wasn't able to get follow through. Okay, so we'll start with, I know a lot of people caught this AXL in the morning. This one kind of tricked me a little bit. I gave it in the morning to play over this high here. Ended up coming in first. Took my eyes off it, and then that ended up just being a shakeout and right back up it went. So kind of pulled one on me. I was looking to play this breakout, and then stopped watching it, took my order down, and then off it went. So if you played this CLVS with me a couple days ago, it's the same idea here. We get a pro gap up, a nice bullish daily here, and then we play this breakout. Remember this one, right? Ended up going max, I think it was about 3.3 Rs. We were looking at some plays, or we were looking at the plays from this week and talking about different ways to manage them, how far they went. And so this base breakout here, high of the day base breakout, right, was just the last one just a couple days ago. And then today, this AXL, massive move here on the AXL once it broke out. You would have had to use a little bit of a bigger stop than what I was anticipating, but boy, did it move, right? Nice continuation there. And then you might have played this glue breakout as well. Same thing here, basing at the highs. High of the day base breakout. Look at all these bars of consolidation before we break out, and then off we go. Actually, on this glue, if you were also tuned in while I was on the mic, I was letting you know that we had a nice move setting up here over $10. That there were a lot of offers stacked on the level 2, and that if we took out that, expect a big pop. You can size that just for a penny or two. I think it ended up going like 20 cents. Yeah, 20 cents. On that glue. So that was a nice big move there on the glue. That breakout, I think. This one actually, I think, topped out at like 8 something Rs. I was out well ahead of that, but I think it was like 8.4 or something when it got up there. But hopefully, you can see the similarities here, the consistency in the pattern. And of course, bullish market, you expect more of these to follow through. Here was the one from Sammy yesterday. Okay, also high of the day base breakout. Consolidates and then breaks out. Okay, so our breakouts, when we call something a breakout, is not just that it made a new high or a new low. It's that it consolidated. It went sideways, set up the next move here, and for a continuation there. Okay, NTRA from James here at the end of the day yesterday. Another nice one here. You can see sideways, a little bit sloppier here, but then off the 20 MA breakout, close at the end of the day. He did a really nice job on the management as well. in it till the very end there. Okay, so hopefully it's something that as you see the market get more bullish and you're seeing a lot of these follow through, they kind of go hand in hand. Kind of tells you how bullish the market is, but also when you can tell that the market is bullish, then you should be looking for more bullish setups, more bullish patterns, and more likely to follow through, right? So it only makes sense. So hopefully you were able to take advantage of some of these. We had a lot of these this week, and as you can see, yeah, I played a lot of them. And so I'm expecting next week to be bullish as well. So hopefully, you'll be on the lookout for some of these high of the day base breakouts. Okay. All right. Hope you did well this week. We'll be back at it next week. Should still have plenty of earnings to go after, plenty of gaps. So I'm looking forward to that. And I will talk to you next week. Have a great weekend.